Happy 5th birthday, Kyle. Come on down.
Can I come down?
Yes, Sydney, come on.
First, I'm going to open this.
Pull the little red string.
Oh, nice, Daddy. Nice. A Lego bin? That is awesome. Open this up.
How do you put that on the table?
I'm looking at everything. Whoa, let me look at everything. I'm opening everything. A Lego thing. Oh, you are so nice. What is it? Just Lego.
Kyle, each one of those is full. Oh, and there's little clips.
Why is this me? Whoa, Daddy.
Do you like it? Kyle, do you like it?
Yes, I love it. Let me look in the other one.
Watch this. Look, I want you to see. Look at all the different things we have.
You got a frog?
Oh,
Sydney, you got a frog?
All the things we're going to build.
oh, you're so nice,
Look, Kyle, look.
What is that?
TIE fighter.
Whoa, TIE fighter. Whoa. 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 Whoa, that's so awesome. That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool.
All right, let's see what we can find. Let's look at another one.
Yeah. Let's look at it. Look at mine.
Daddy, can you open her frog up
I
too?
love you every. Oh, this guy is funny. You almost got me all Legos.
Sydney, look at your frog.
What in the world? You almost got me all Legos in my life.
Look at all of them.
Whoa, Daddy. Almost got me all Legos in my life.
You gotta do both clips.
Whoa! You have a trophy!
This guy.
This is my own trophy?
A trophy.
Who is this guy?
Look, he's got a sword and a shark head.
I wish I could keep these forever.
Well, you can. They're yours.
Oh, you're so nice, Daddy. Yeah, I wanted to open them.
Sydney, did you open up your box?
Look.
Can I really open all these? See? Daddy, I love all these things you gave me. Whoa.
Sydney, look at Mommy and say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's your GABA.
Where are all my Star Wars?
Look at Mommy and say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy 5th birthday, buddy.
Happy 5th birthday.